Have you ever found yourself scrolling on Amazon, clicking on a book that you find interesting, and then you scroll down and you come across these beautiful images that give you a sneak peek into what the book is all about and what's inside? This is called the A+ content, and this is exactly what I'm going to teach you how to design in this video. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Amazon KDP account. And the first thing you're going to do is go all the way up, and where you see marketing, you're going to click on marketing. Once you're here under marketing resources, you have a couple of options. You have KDP Select, you have Amazon Ads, Author Central, and then here we have it, A+ content. You're going to go ahead and choose a marketplace. And once you click on the marketplace that you have chosen, you're going to go ahead and click on Manage A+ content. This is where you're going to see all the A+ content that you have created for your books. If you want to create A+ content for a brand new book that you are planning to publish, you have to click here on the right-hand side where it says Start Creating A+ Content. It's very important to go ahead and check out all the modules that I'm about to show you in just a minute, but it's important to check those out because it will give you the exact dimensions that you need for the template that you need to create to start designing on Canva. Let's start looking at the modules. Let's go ahead and click on Add Module. So one of the first things that we see here on the right-hand side is a standard comparison chart. This is often used when you want to compare your product to other products out there, especially when you want to seem competitive as far as pricing goes. Now we have the standard for image and text, which means that you design 4 specific individual images of what's inside your book, and you write a brief description in the bottom. Then there's this one, which is my favorite. I love using this one, which is the standard image header with text. When I click on it, what we see here is the actual size of what the image needs to be. Here is a 970 by 600. So when we begin designing a design on Canva, we need to create it with using these dimensions. Let me go ahead and use these dimensions and head on over to Canva. The width is 970 and the height is 600. Leave the units as px. And once you input those that size, you're going to see here under it says suggested Amazon product description. So we're going to go ahead and click on Create New Design. Once we're here, we can start designing. Let's say this book is a children's coloring activity book. We're going to go ahead and start designing by giving the background a color and adding a few elements. This is just a brief example of what the A+ content would look like. Just make sure you showcase pages that are within your book. And then we would download this as a PNG file and upload it onto Amazon.
This is another example of A+ content.
Once that's downloaded onto our computer, we can go ahead and click here on Amazon and we could start uploading the image. And here we have our image. Now we have to enter text. It says enter image keywords. So we can put something like coloring book for girls. Once that's done, it says tags. You can also add a tag name. That is up to you. We're going to go ahead and click on add. And we're going to click on add again. And we have our first image. You can go ahead and add a headline and create some body explaining how exciting this coloring book is. And you can go ahead and just give a description of what pages parents can find in this type of book. Let's say you are done creating designs and you're done uploading all of your A+ content. You would scroll up and where it says preview, that's where you're going to click on. And it'll give you a preview of all the images that you have. That's how it looks on mobile. And then you click on desktop, which is going to show you how it's going to look in someone's desktop. Once you're done with the designing process, you would go here under content name. You could do that before or now and give it a name, coloring book for girls. Or you could put the name of the book. Now, if you're done, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way up and you're going to click on Next, Apply ASINs. This is where you apply the ASINs for your book. Once you add the ASINs for this book, that's when this A+ content will be added to your book listing. Then, once that's done, you would go ahead and click on Next, Review and Submit, and you would be able to submit it to Amazon KDP. They approve it. Your design, your A+ content will appear on your book listing within 24 to 48 hours. I hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.